Every country that wants to protect its airspace must have the newest and the best fighter jets in its arsenal.
Power.
Since jet fighters first appeared in the form of the Messerschmitt Me-262 during World War II, they have come to dominate the skies. Here we are with the top 10 most advanced fighter jets. These are some of the best fighter jets in the world currently patrolling the skies.
Let's fly.
Coming at number 10, Saab JS-39 Gripen. Designed and manufactured by the famous Swedish aerospace company Saab, forms the primary fighter wing of the Swedish Air Force. We can sum up the Swedish masterpiece in 3 words: tiny, nippy, and dangerously lethal.
Woohoo! I like it.
Concerning lethality, the Gripen was the first fighter in the world to carry the deadly Meteor air-to-air missile, a beyond visual range weapon that can track and kill targets at a range of up to 130 kilometers. And while Gripen C can carry 4, Gripen E can carry 7.
Not bad.
Because of its excellent performance, it is called a symbol of excellence. Powered by a Volvo RM12 afterburning turbofan engine, it has advanced technology like fly-by-wire flying controls. He has a radar, besides a 27mm Mosser BK-27 revolver cannon with 120 rounds and a variety of armament options including missiles and laser-guided bombs.
That's amazing.
Remains a major global player in the realm of advanced lightweight fighter designs, able to undertake a variety of mission roles from air defense to interception, ground attack to armed reconnaissance as well as training. A truly impressive package on any aircraft. Coming at number 9, Sukhoi Su-35. The multi-role Su-35 is a well-designed improved variant of the Su-27. The Russian Air Force introduced Su-35 in 2012 and it's considered to be a highly advanced and deadly fighter.
Okay, show me what you got.
It can carry up to 8 tons of the weapon payload, a variety of air-to-air, air-to-surface, anti-radiation, and anti-ship missiles, as well as a number of TV, laser, and satellite-guided bombs, on 12 underwing hardpoints. While the fighter jet's other armament includes a 3rd autocannon with 150 rounds, also can detect targets at more than 350 kilometers, while its radar can track up to 30 targets simultaneously.
Yeah, that should be enough.
Sleek, fast, and highly maneuverable, can be used in a variety of missions and is capable of attacking ground and naval targets, including infrastructural facilities shielded by air defense systems.
Let them come!
Its large and powerful engines give it the ability to supercruise for a long time. Also, allow reaching supersonic speeds without using an afterburner. Whilst it is primarily designed for air superiority, it is very capable as a ground attack jet. It is currently Russia's most advanced fighter in service. Coming at number 8, Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a result of the largest multinational collaborative military effort of European countries and tends to split opinions between aircraft enthusiasts. Despite this, there is no doubt it is one of the world's most capable multi-role fighters in active service.
Oh yeah.
It is powered by 2 EJ200 engines that give the Typhoon its impressive thrust-to-weight ratio and maneuverability. The fighter jet delivers an enviable level of flexibility and efficiency. Only the Typhoon possesses both adequate weapon availability and sufficient processing power to simultaneously support missile and flight updates and bomb and flight targeting.
Tell me more about that.
As well as short-range air-to-air missiles and the 27 Mosser cannon, the Typhoon carries the latest beyond visual range air-to-air missile technology, such as the Meteor Advanced Long-Range Missile. Guidance is provided by an active radar seeker with mid-course updates via data link.
Quite impressive and deadly.
No other fighter aircraft has integrated a comparably high number of European and US weapons and is thus combat-ready whatever the mission. Coming at number 7, McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. Developed and built by McDonnell Douglas, the F-15 Eagle is a twin-engine, high-performance, all-weather air superiority fighter known for its incredible acceleration and maneuverability, one of the most successful in modern times, which has racked up well over 100 victories for no losses in aerial combat. Such is the success that Lamborghini said was its main source of inspiration for the Revenant. Although now in service for over 30 years, it remains a formidable warplane, and it is also considered among the most successful Cold War-era fighters.
Thank you, sir.
Equipped with weaponry and electronics, enabling it to detect, acquire, track, and attack enemy aircraft while operating in enemy-controlled airspace. It carries a large complement of missiles, joint direct attack munition and laser JDAM weapons, and an internal 20mm Gatling gun, all vital for modern engagements. Advanced navigation and an infrared targeting system allow the Strike Eagle to fly at a low altitude while maintaining a high speed, even during bad weather or at night.
That's what I'm talking about!
F-15 will be a major player in the U.S. Air Force air superiority and dominance arsenal through the 2040 timeframe, using leading-edge technology and capabilities that will keep the F-15 and its mission systems current. Coming at number 6, McMahon MiG-35. The MiG-35 multi-role fighter is a significantly improved version of the MiG-29. This fighter aircraft has the latest electronic equipment, new engines, and other systems. The main role of this aircraft is to gain air superiority as well as to perform all-weather precision ground strikes.
I'm ready.
The new aircraft has vastly improved avionics and weapon systems, notably the new Positron Juk Active Phased Array radar. This radar detects more targets, is more resistant to electronic countermeasures, has a longer detection range, and can track and engage more targets simultaneously. It has a detection range of about 130-160 kilometers for air targets and 300 kilometers for ships. The MiG-35 can track 30 targets and engage 6 of them simultaneously.
That's impressive.
This multi-role fighter is armed with a 30mm cannon and carries 150 rounds of ammunition. The aircraft has 9 external hardpoints and can carry up to 7 tons of payload. It can use various air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, unguided rockets, precision-guided, and free-fall bombs.
Yes!
It is claimed that this aircraft has a variety of integrated defensive systems to increase combat survivability. Coming at number 5, Dassault Rafale. The Rafale is a twin-jet fighter aircraft able to operate from both an aircraft carrier and a shore base and is the backbone of the French Air Force. Entered service with the French Navy in 2004 and with the French Air Force in 2006. The fully versatile Rafale is able to carry out all combat aviation missions, air superiority and air defense, close air support, in-depth strikes, reconnaissance, anti-ship strikes and nuclear deterrence.
So many options, it's nice to have a guide.
It has been upgraded throughout time and currently has some of the most advanced avionics on any aircraft. The Rafale is capable of tracking 40 targets at a time and firing simultaneously on 4 of them. Can carry payloads of more than 9 tons on 13 hardpoints for the Air Force version, with 13 for the Naval version. It has a twin gun pod and 30mm cannon, which can fire 2,500 rounds a minute.
Don't you mess with me, mister.
The Rafale is equipped with laser designation pods for laser guidance of air-to-ground missiles. This aircraft is still deadly, as was proved by its ability to shoot down an F-22 Raptor in 2009.
Bring it on!
With more than 30,000 flight hours in operations, it is currently estimated this aircraft will remain in service until the 2030s. Coming at number 4, Chengdu J-20. Also known as the Mighty Dragon, the J-20 is the most advanced Chinese fighter jet, employing the latest stealth technology. It is a medium and long-range air superiority fighter, which might also have a secondary ground attack capability.
That could work.
This Chinese fighter has 2 large internal weapon bays for long-range air-to-air missiles and 2 small side-mounted weapon bays for short-range air-to-air missiles. Missiles are stored in these weapon bays in order to reduce the radar cross-section. It also has large fuel tanks for long-range missions. It carries more fuel and weapons than the American F-22 Raptor.
Is that possible?
Most recently, new powerful domestically made engines were developed for it, and there are also hints that new, more advanced variants are in development.
Well.
Its true capabilities are a closely guarded secret known only by the highest-ranking Chinese officials. Nevertheless, we can tell that China keeps constantly upgrading its J-20s. Coming at number 3, Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. The Lightning II is a single-seat, single-engine fighter aircraft designed for many missions. Some love it, some dislike it, but none can dispute that the F-35 is one of the most modern and most capable combat planes.
Case closed.
This aircraft is proposed in 3 main variants, including the F-35, a conventional takeoff and landing aircraft, F-35B short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft, and F-35C carrier-based aircraft.
That's awesome.
The aircraft combines advanced sensors and mission systems with low observable technology, which enables it to operate undetected in hostile airspace. Its integrated sensors, sensor fusion and data linking provide the pilot with unprecedented situational awareness. The pilot is able to share information gathered by the jet with other platforms using secure data links, and/or use the information to employ weapons or electronic means. It is also compatible with the latest air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles.
A beast of such power.
Simply put, it is the most advanced multi-role fighter in the world, delivering unmatched lethality, survivability, and connectivity. Coming at number 2, Sukhoi Su-57. The Su-57 Felon is the Russian answer to the F-22. It is the country's first stealth airplane, combining great close combat effectiveness of the Su-27 and the Su-30 family with low radar visibility and other 5th-generation fighter jet features.
Welcome aboard.
Although its estimated cost is much lower than other newest fighter jets, don't be fooled. It is really powerful. Russia is currently developing a new engine for it, so in the near future, the Su-57 is going to become even more advanced and even deadlier in the air.
Thanks for the heads up.
Originally, it was thought that the Su-57 is a stealthy air superiority fighter. However, it turned out that this aircraft has a secondary ground attack capability and can engage surface targets. Two large internal weapon bays are mounted in tandem between the engines. This fighter has 10 internal and 6 external hardpoints for various air-to-air, air-to-surface, anti-radiation missiles, and even guided bombs. There are also 2 side bays for short-range air-to-air missiles. It is believed that this aircraft will carry up to 7.5 tons of weaponry. The hypersonic missile is also a part of the plane's arsenal. That's an enormous amount of weapons. Coming at number 1, Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is one of the world's most advanced and capable fighter jets. It was developed and produced jointly by Lockheed Martin and Boeing and is not for sale to other countries. Remains one of the world's oldest and deadliest jets for beyond visual range combat.
Cause I am the best.
Whilst its main role is as an air superiority fighter, is also renowned for its stealthy capabilities. Lead the course for other aircraft to follow. Introducing low radar visibility, super cruise, advanced sensor networks, and super maneuverability in one package. It can also perform various other functions including ground attack, electronic warfare, and signal intelligence.
Quite impressive, huh?
The F-22 is one of the most expensive fighter aircraft ever produced, and its standout features include a powerful array of weaponry. Many other of its avionics remain classified.
You know nothing.
Whilst many consider this the best jet fighter ever produced, it is not invincible. As I said before, NATO wargames conducted in 2009 revealed that it can be defeated in combat by the much older yet still highly capable Dassault Rafale. So want to be the first to know when a new video comes out? Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Our other cool stuff is showing up on the screen right now, so stay there and check out. And if it isn't asking too much, thumbs up the video. It is really important for us. Stay tuned and see you next time.